unbox this camera. I just want to upgrade my camera to Nikon D750 because it has a lot of good reviews. Also, this camera got a lot of awards. You can see it was coming on the top 10 cameras. Camera of the Year, DP Review Gold Award, Camera of Distinction. The price of this Nikon D750 body with 24 to 120 mm lens comes 1,64,950 guys. Okay, you will get, sometimes you will be having some offers also. Presently in this case I got one backpack for this camera from Lowpro, which worth almost 5,000 rupees. Let's have a look at the box guys. Let's open it. When you open, you are getting a lot of documents. And the pouch, this is for the 24 to 120 mm lens. There is a pouch, another pouch, it looks good. Then there are some documents like catalogs, user manuals for the lens and the body, software CDs, and some training voucher, warranty slips. Let's open it guys. Once you open, you will be, I think this is the lens. This is the lens. This is a 24 to 120 mm VR lens with 4K. This model has 2 years warranty guys. Wow, it looks nice. Body's grip looks nice actually. It has a very deep grip when I hold the camera. You can see here. And the buttons and all the switches are actually easily accessible. It is a tiltable kind of screen, and settings panel here, to different modes. You can set different modes: manual, auto, shutter priority mode, P mode, auto. So many options are there as usual. Overall it looks nice guys. What else we have? The lens hood. Okay. The charger cable. And we have the charger cable. Battery charger. It's mentioned output 8.4V, 1.2 ampere. Then we have the battery. Have the strap. With Nikon D750 name title in it. It's pretty amazing. And we have the data cable. Okay, these are the things inside. Battery support. The viewfinder, shoe I think. These are the things guys inside this box. I am going to fix the lens in it. Just have a look at the camera guys. Let's have a look at our new Nikon D750 with 24 to 120 mm lens, and it has on this one it has two memory slots. I think there's two memory slots here actually, you can see, and the battery over here to add the battery, and the cable connection like for the mic and for the data cable, and ports are here. It's a really good looking camera guys. It has a very good grip and feels classy. It's one of the best full frame cameras in this price range. Still, you know, there is latest Nikon D850 and mirrorless cameras are there. Still, Nikon D750 is one of the fast moving cameras in the market. Many of the people are still using due to their better price and specification. Still, it has a good price, 1,65,000 in market MRP price, but compared to D850 will be almost double the price of this one, this model. Just have a look at the basic specification of this camera. You can get it. I will attach the specification at the end, and I will also attach I will add the links of the sites where you can buy this product in the description. And please follow my Instagram photography page. Please follow my Instagram page guys. I am adding my link of my Instagram page in the description below. Please have a look and follow also. I will be adding many photography related videos. This model Nikon D750 is a full frame camera with 24.3 megapixel, 6.5 fps, and it weighs almost 800 grams. It has a 9100 pixel RGB sensor and ISO sensitivity from 100 to 12,800, can be expanded up to 51,200. Maximum shutter speed 1/4000. It has 3.2-inch tilting LCD screen, as we have seen. You can see it, yeah, it can move like this, and we can see from top also when you are taking ground shots and all. And this model has 2 years warranty from Nikon, 2 years international warranty for the lens and national warranty for the body. Okay, it looks nice, guys, really impressive. Actually, first look was very nice. It looks really comfortable, and all the switches are very nearby, and you can handle the entire camera with your one hand, and all the shortcut switches are there available near you. Okay guys, this is the basic review and unboxing of Nikon D750 camera. I'll be giving more reviews and tips about this camera in future. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video.